Hey Quiz Titans, get ready for an exciting challenge. Today we're diving into the world of flags with a Guess the Country by the Flag quiz. You'll face 25 thrilling questions, and you'll have just 5 seconds to guess each flag. So stay sharp, keep track of your score as you go, and see how many you get right. Then, drop your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. Before we start, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing quizzes. Now let's get started. Can you identify the country in seconds? It's the United States. Do you know the name of this flag? It's Canada. Guess the nation from the flag image. It's India. Which country does this beautiful flag belong to? It's Brazil. Can you solve this flag challenge? It's Italy. Flag masters, can you identify this one? It's China. What is the name of this country flag? It's Japan. What is the name of this country flag? It's Germany. Can you guess the nation by the flag? It's France. Which nation is represented by this flag? It's Portugal. Identify this world flag. It's South Korea. Can you name the country from the flag? It's Greece. Think you know this flag? It's Spain. Which flag is this, champions? It's Mexico. Can you spot the correct country? It's Argentina. Guess the flag challenge. It's Switzerland. What country's flag are you looking at? It's Russia. Do you recognize the flag shown here? It's New Zealand. Which country owns this flag? It's Netherlands. Identify the national flag. It's Chile. Can you tell which country this is? It's Ireland. Name this flag if you can. It's South Africa. Which nation does this flag belong to? It's Cuba. Guess the country by its flag. It's Colombia. Do you know this country flag? It's Thailand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more amazing quizzes. And let me know your score in the comments.